All right. I changed my mind. I'm not even gonna vlog this. I'm just gonna do some POV photography. Just a nice photography day. Oh my goodness. Something took this tree down. That was not down last time I was here. Yes, I am making a TikTok for those of you pricks that are gonna comment in the comment section. It's mental. What the hell is wrong with me? I'm mental. I know right here there's like a view of the falls, but I don't want to die. God. Oh yeah, there we go. I'm debating whether I send it down this or not. I think I'm gonna do it, because I don't give a damn what is wrong with me. Keep in mind, I'm doing this in ice with a 50-pound pack on my back and terrible hiking shoes. They're not even hiking shoes. I wouldn't even classify these as hiking shoes. I'd classify these as shoes that I am hiking in. Very stupidly hiking in, I should add. Actually, I'm gonna put this in my backpack. Littering is bad. Do your part, people. Clean up litter. Or just don't litter in the freaking first place. It's even better. Little send. If I fall, this is so stupid. I should have put my camera away. Is this strong? I mean, might be the best I can get. Little send. Nothing big. That was easy. This is kind of a cool frame. Oh my Lanta. There we go. Now we're getting the shots. Yeah, y'all know we're getting those shots. It would be so cool if there were no trees here. That'd be dope. Alright, after a brief intermission, we are back. I was just chilling out here, listening to music, vibing, as the young ones say, or the old ones, depending on how you look at it. I'm gonna try to cross. Oh, other people crossed on there, that's what I'm gonna do actually. Walking gets old after a minute, bro. I'm trying to keep this interesting because, like, when I think of something to say, I'll usually say it. But you know, sometimes you just don't got nothing to say, and that's all right. At least I hope it's okay. I'd be sad if it wasn't. Sometimes you don't gotta say nothing at all to get a point across. But a lot of times you do. I'd say most of the time you do. I'd venture to even say penis. I'm gonna go down there and take some pics of the thing, and then I'm gonna go up right here. Or at least try to. Take some pics of the water. I do a lot of Insta stories now. Follow my Instagram if you haven't, at eric.grammar. But I do a lot of Insta stories of pictures of water, because I think pictures of water are kind of cool. No picture of water is the same. I should really invest in a different pair of hiking boots or shoes. You feel that? Snow getting into these biddies. Real cold. Feel that? You hear me? We get a bunch of comments about like people that are like, I wish this was by my house. But like, literally, I'm sure there's stuff like this by your house. You're just too lazy to go out and to find it. That's how I was for a long time. I didn't want to take the steps to have fun. I just wanted to watch other people have fun. And then get sad because they're having fun and I'm not. And I'm like, wait, why? And then I realized, why don't I just do it myself? So I go out, boom, have some fun, boom, Bob's your uncle. My life, it's kind of crazy. Dude, put me on a rock climbing team. This shit's crazy. I'm probably a better climber than half the people I know that climb. Like, real climb. And I'm gonna do it, bro. See, I got no handholds, visible handholds. Because I know there are some there in the summertime. When there aren't any frickin', there isn't a foot of frickin' snow on top. This is absolutely mental. Good thing these Zeiss lenses are weather sealed. I think they are. I pray to God they are, or else I... Oh hey, it's a string. Easy money. Easy money. Dude, these climbing companies need to sign me. Bro. There's the Jeep, baby. Old reliable. Old reliable that isn't that all reliable. Oh my God. hot, except my hands are cold. The duality of a man. I would cry if they don't turn out. They haven't turned out yet. I would literally cry. This one's epic. This one is just not turning out. This one should have. Rip that one that didn't even do it. I'm gonna post that selfie. I took a selfie with a Polaroid. I think that's where I'm gonna call it a day for photography. I'm just gonna fly my drone. See you guys next time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Check out my other POV landscape video if you haven't yet. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.